Dear students, welcome to my channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe this channel and also press bell icon to all. Thank you.
Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 5 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 14 Time and Tense. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, okay, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist sections and also watch. Okay, so here read the text below about space travel. Notice the differences in the ways the verbs have been used. Okay, so here the first sentence: the first man in space was cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. He moved around the Earth in his spacecraft on 12th April 1961. Okay, so here the verb was and also moved. That means it represent about the past time. Okay, the action happened in the past. Then next sentence here: since that day, space exploration is taking giant leaps. So here, okay, present progressive is used. Okay, astronauts make new discoveries every year. So here again simple present tense is used here, make. Then next, someday scientists will create advanced spacecraft to help astronauts explore outer space better. This will be successful in the future. So here simple future will create and also will be. Okay, so here the verbs in sentence A, okay, that indicate about the past time, was and also moved. Then next in the verbs in the second, that indicate present time. Here is taking and also make. Okay, so here present continuous and this is simple present. Then next in the third sentence, that indicates about the future time. So here simple future will create and also will be. Clear? Then next here, underline the time expressions in these sentences. For each expression, write present, past or future. Okay, so here time expression. Sneha woke up early in the morning. So here the time expression in the morning. Okay, so you have to underline in the morning. But here the verb is simple past, but you have to follow the instruction of the question. Okay, time expression. So here in the morning. So this is past. Then next, she is cooking now. Here the time expression is now. Okay, so you have to underline now. Okay, so it represent present. Okay, she thought about taking her dog for a walk, but it was raining outside at that time. So here the time expression that time. Okay, at that time. So you have to underline that time. So this refer to past. Clear? She will get ready for work soon. So here the time expression soon. Okay, it represent about the future. Okay, the next, she plans to reach office early. So early. Okay, so it represent present. Then next, in the evening, she will go out for a movie. Here the time expression in the evening. Okay, clear? So it represent about the future. Clear? Then next, this table shows the present tense of each verb. Fill in the other two columns. Here verb. Okay, laugh, it's present, laugh. Okay, so present can be here laugh or laughs. According to the number of person, we add s or es to the verb. Okay, then past, laugh. So there is no future tense in English grammar. There are two tenses, present tense and past tense, but there is future time. So here next verb you jump, then present tense jump, and past tense jumped. Okay, so there is no future tense. Then next here, drink, the present is drink and past drank. Okay, and no future tense. Then next, run, run present, run. Okay, v1, okay, v2, v3. Okay, so v1 is run, v2 ran, then v3 run. This is simple. This is present tense, this is past, and this is past participle. Clear? So here the past ran and future tense, there is no future tense. Right? Present will be right. Okay, then past tense v2. Then next future tense, no future tense. Then search, search. Okay, present tense, and it's past searched. Okay, and no future tense. Okay, so is there a future time form of verbs in English? Yes, there is a future time. Okay, then next here, The present tense forms of the following be and auxiliary verbs are given in the table below. Write their past tense form. Okay, so here you know am is used for present, the past you know was, and future okay no, future any future tense no, you have to make a cross here. Then you know present are we use were okay for the past, and there is no any future tense no, cross. Then you know present can, then you know past tense could but no future okay tense, cross. Then you know present we use shall for present, then you know should for past you know, but future there is no future tense. Then do is used for you know present tense, did is used for past tense okay, and you know there is no future tense. Clear? Then next here use the verbs below in sentences which talk about present, past and future time. Okay, one has been done for you. So here I dance every day, I danced yesterday, I will dance tomorrow, I am going to dance tomorrow. You know here this is simple present, this is you know simple past, you know this is simple future, and you know this is also future. Okay, be plus be verb plus going to. Be verb you know is am are okay, is am are, is am are, these you know these are known as be verb. Okay, be verb plus going to. So here next you have to make a sentence. Okay, sleep, I sleep every day. Okay, you know this is simple present. I slept last night. Okay, this is simple past slept. I will sleep at 10 o'clock. So this is you know simple future. Okay, if you have not watched all the structures of the tenses okay, present tense, past tense and future time. Okay, so here look at the screen, I have briefly discussed about all the structures with examples. Okay, so you can go to the playlist sections and also watch. Okay, so there you can get a complete idea about the transformation of the sentence, how to change present into past, past into present. Okay, so here next you know I will sleep at 10 o'clock. Then next I am going to sleep at 10 o'clock. Okay, I am going to. Then next you have to use climb, climb up the trees. Okay, the monkey climbs. So you know this is simple present, climbs up the trees. The monkey climbed. So you know this is simple past. The monkey will climb. This is you know simple future. The monkey is going to climb. So you know here is going, that means be verb plus going to. Then next cook, I cook my own food. Okay, I cooked my own food, I will cook my own food. Okay, I am going to cook my own food. Clear? Then next here answer each questions, each question as directed. There tick the sentences which describe event in the future and talk about how you know this. Are they going to look for a present? Okay, so this is you know used the event which describe about the future, so you have to okay tick here. Then next are they in the school? No. So here Chaya is going to walk to town. So you know is going to, that means here you know we use shall or will plus v1, then we also use simple present, and also we also use be verb plus going to. So you know here the be verb is used. Chaya is going to walk to, you have to make a tick here. I am not going to call your sister. So you know here be verb plus going to. Okay, so you have to make a tick. She will not go to Africa. So you know here this is simple future, so you have to make a tick here. Then next the teacher is checking our homework. So this is you know this is present continuous, not future. Okay, that means the action is happening at the time of speaking. Okay, so only you have to you know first, then the third one, then fourth one, then fifth one. Okay, that describe about the future. Clear? Then next you tick the sentence in the simple past. So here did you have chicken last night? Yes. So you know this is simple past. This is the structure of yes no of simple past. Then next my little brother has just. So you know this is present perfect. This is cross. Okay. Then next my parents lived in Odisha from 1985 to 2005. Yes. So this is you know past event. Okay, lived. So you have to make a tick here. Then next the weatherman says there will be some rain tomorrow. So you know this is future event. Okay, so you have to cross here. Then next yesterday my friend invited me to his birthday party. So you know this is simple past, the action happened in the past, so you have to make a tick here. Okay. Then next here activity, in pairs of 2 discuss the clues and complete this crossword puzzle. The numbers in the brackets are hints for the numbers of letters in the answer. Okay. So here last month I dashed to visit my uncle. Do you know across 4? Okay. So here across 2. Okay. Here went. Okay. So you have to write here went. You know this is simple past. Then next we dash over Mount Annapurna. You know 4. Okay. Across flew. Okay. Flew. So you have to write here flew. Clear? You have to write here. Then next my uncle tells me a story. Do you know 6? Okay. Across you know here. Okay. Here told. You have to write here. Okay. Told. My uncle told. Then next we dash a cake. Okay. So here we made. So you have to write here made. Then next during my vacation I am planning to dash some books. Okay. So here you know 10. Okay. Read. You have to write here read. Okay. Then next summer I will learn to dash ride my bicycle. To 11. Okay. So here I will learn to ride. So you have to write here ride. Okay. Then next year he will dash me a prize. You know 12 here give. Okay. So you have to write here he will give me a prize. Then next yesterday I dash with my friends in a program. So you know 13. Okay. So here okay. So here answer okay sang. So you have to write here okay sang. Then next I am going to dash my hair short 14. You know cut. Okay. Clear? Then next year down. Every day I dash the plates on the table for dinner. Okay. You know down 1. Okay. Here put. Okay. You have to write here put. Clear? Here you have to write put. Then next last week I dash a story about my dog. You know down 2. Okay. Down. Yes. So here the answer. Okay. Wrote. Clear? So you have to write wrote here. Okay. Last week I wrote. Okay. Here. Then next day I will dash in the pool at a lot in the summer. You know third down. Okay. Third. Yes. Swim. Okay. Here. You have to write here swim. Okay. I will swim. Okay. Clear? Then next I dash a bad cold some days ago. Okay. So you know here 5. Okay. 5 down. So here 5 down. Here the answer. Okay. Hard. So you have to write hard here. Okay. I had a bad cold some days ago. Then next my mom dashed me to the store last Sunday. So you know down 7. Okay. Down 7. So here the answer. Okay. Drove. Clear? Then next year last night we dashed dinner early. Eat 9. Okay. 9 down. So here the answer 8. Okay. So you have to write 8 here. Okay. 8. Clear? Then next I dashed to the park last evening to listen to music in park. Music in the park. So here 11 down. Okay. So here ran. Okay. So you have to write here ran. Then next Thela dash a new book as a present. You know get down. Okay. 12. So here got. Okay. Got. Clear? Then next yesterday my mom dash I could go to the park in the evening. Okay. Down 13. So here okay said. SAID. You have to write here said. Okay. Clear? So how many time concept does the English language have? You know there are 3 time concept: present time, past time, and also future time. Okay. So what are the different tenses in English that you have studied in this chapter? You know what are different tenses? You know there are 2 tenses: present tense and past tense. Okay. Present tense and past tense, and future time. Okay. Future time. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.